that going to continue?
Sadly, I think you were right to say yes, there's more rain on the way. I mean, this is a shorthand way of saying the next 2 days. In actual fact, it's fairly obvious if you look from space. We're being attacked from both sides, but the dark mass of cloud over Ireland is the one that's bringing in the rain that's going to affect us for the next 2 days in general. Squeezing out the sunshine. The rain itself isn't making much progress across Northern Ireland, but the heavy stuff is in Wales. It's not doing the Ice Thetford and St David's any good at all, and it's not stopping. It'll keep moving east, it'll keep moving up through the southwest of England. It's already crossed the Devon border, as you can see. Now, to its east, there are very small speckles, which mean, well, you'd think very little. But as yesterday, 1 or 2 of them have sparked off as thunderstorms. Small they may be, but it was this sort of size that produced localised flooding yesterday and may do the same again today. The good news is they're confined to East Anglia and they're going away. But the afternoon will see rain across Wales, the Midlands, and the rest of southern England, and also Orkney and Shetland. Most other places, it looks reasonably fine, and it should end nicely, I'm hoping, in northeast England. Temperatures, of course, are disappointing. It's still fairly humid in eastern England, in East Anglia in particular. It's 21 in Norwich. Won't see that again tomorrow. Now, by this evening, the rain will look like this on the radar display. This is a forecast of the rain in Wales and southern England, the heavy stuff, as you can see in Orkney and Shetland, and the thunderstorms off the Norfolk coast. Now, the problem is it's going to wander around all night and much of tomorrow in southern England. As a result, we could see something like an inch. Now, where you've got sodden ground, that is a possible problem. You know, local flooding. For Wales, the Midlands and southwest England, that is what we're keeping an eye on. So tomorrow morning, fairly obviously, is going to start potentially quite wet. Nasty driving conditions, heavy downpours, a little bit of brightness maybe might develop. Thunder is a small possibility. Scotland goes downhill too. That heavy rain is likely to come back into Scotland during the day. And I think even Cumbria, possibly after a dry morning, will see a wet afternoon. The extreme fringes, Northern Ireland, Western Scotland and southwest England could be fine during tomorrow. Obviously, nowhere's going to be very warm. It's quite cool by the look of it, 17 or 18. Low is still the dominant word on Saturday, and so for England and Scotland in particular, it doesn't look good. But Sunday has improved. The forecast is different. The confidence isn't brilliantly high, but it looks as though Sunday could actually be not a bad day. Saturday then, Northern Ireland, western side of the UK, probably having the finest weather, but some big downpours elsewhere. As for Sunday, for most it looks a reasonable day. And in actual fact, we're doing rather better than our European neighbours. Most of the European plain is cooler and rather more thunder than you might expect. But the weekend for us then, although confidence isn't brilliantly high, still looks best in the west or on Sunday. Darren.
Thank you.